To factory reset your Garmin Forerunner 55, press and hold the up button to reach that menu, then press it again one time to reach the bottom of the page and select System with the Start-Stop button. Then go down to Reset, right here, select it with Start-Stop, and you will have 4 options. Reset default settings, which are the settings of the watch, so they will be reset to default. Delete all activities, delete totals. So activities is your run, ride, walk, whatever. They will delete that. The totals is like your steps, heart rate data, or something like that. But the thing I suggest to you to do if you want to sell your watch to someone else or just to reset it because it acts weirdly, is to delete data and reset settings. So basically this will wipe everything from the watch and make it restart like a brand new one. So select reset data and everything. Yes, you will have this message that make it clear that everything will be deleted. Go down to continue and go down to yes and select it here. Once you press that button, there's no way back. It erases everything. So you will have the Garmin logo and this thing will load. It will take about 3 minutes to complete. And don't worry about your data. Of course, they will be wiped from the watch, but everything that is synced with the Garmin Connect application will remain on Garmin Connect. So I will fast forward to the end of that reset. So once this is complete, well, it's like a brand new watch. You select the language that you want and you will be invited to pair it with your phone, and basically you just answer every question. It's just restarted like a brand new watch. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.